Hi, I'm Amber Lawrence, MBA's Associate Vice President of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. I wanted to speak with you today about MBA's DEI Leadership Awards. These awards recognize MBA members that develop first-rate DEI strategies and programs. Beginning in May and running through August, we will be accepting applications from our residential members, and the application process for our commercial multifamily members will open in August and run through December. For your application to stand out, there are several things to consider. First, tell us your company's unique story. Your application should tell us how your company responded to a specific need or area of opportunity related to DEI. Remember, a successful application highlights what makes your company's program impactful, yet different from the others. Second, pose targeted questions to yourself before submitting your application as complete, such as, how did this application inform which strategies were implemented? What is our baseline? Where did we see success? Or how did we experience challenges addressing this specific area of need? And finally, be specific yet concise. Be sure to provide metrics that show impact. Also, emphasize the progress your company has made and how it will continue to reach its goals. I hope these tips are helpful for you, and we look forward to reviewing your applications. Be sure to check MBA's DEI application page for the most up-to-date application dates and deadlines. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact the DEI team at dei@mba.org. Thank you.